Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. So in the 2026, you shouldn't just pick a theme because it looks cool. You need to pick based on to speed, conversions, features, and the application cost. So a slow theme can kill your conversions by 7%, which is for every second of delay. So I'm going to be reviewing the top 2026 contenders to see which one actually makes you more money. Now, the free kings, speaking about the free themes, I'm going to go directly into the online store and go directly into the themes so we can talk a little bit more about them. Directly inside here, I'm going to focus into the option that says popular free themes. Scroll all the way down and look out for the option that says visit the theme store. With this being said, I enable the element that says free, and I'm going to show you one of the most used element, which is also our default, which is the horizon. Now I'm going to scroll a little bit down and try to look out for the horizon. Now this is the big news because it has officially overtaken Dawn as the best free foundation. Basically, this is a block first, meaning you can nest the blocks inside each other for crazy customs layouts. Unlike the classic Dawn, for example, the theme horizon gives you high-end features like there's transparent headers that you can be finding directly here into the upper side. As you can see, this is actually totally transparent. Something else, for example, is this give you the high-end features like built-in color swatches for free. And if you want safety minimal store, stick with the Dawn elements. Let's go and directly back and look out for Dawn. So back into my Shopify theme store, I browsed once again small themes, and here is the most easy and minimalist element, which is the Dawn. So this is, for example, if you want a safe minimal store, stick with this Dawn, because if you want a modern premium, look out with the, for example, Horizon, which is 300 price tag. A Horizon is the actual winner. Now, speaking about the actual paid elements into the Shopify theme store, I'm going to hit for the option that says view all, and usually you can be finding why pay 350 for an actual theme, because for brands like Prestige, it's about the luxury feel. This includes high resolution, sharp the look, hotspots that makes you look like a high-end boutique. Now, this is one of my favorites when it comes to selling specific elements, for example, only for clothing or accessories. Now, when it comes to making some massive catalog, I'm going to look out for the one that calls the Impulse. Now, the Impulse is, if you have a massive catalog, is unmatched because it has a sub-collection navigation, and unmatched, as I just told you, is designed for high volume stores that need to help customers find one item out of 1,000. So check out how it actually looks, these sub-collection navigation menu. It actually looks really well. This is something that I truly loved a lot, and actually looks really well. Now, the application killers, which is the Buster and the Beautify. Now, this is where the matter changes, because there are some themes that actually does a really great difference when it comes to adding applications into Shopify. One of them, for example, is the Beautify. Now, the Beautify themes, they are built in countdowns, timers, there's bundles, there's frequently bought together, there's sections. So if you used a free theme and added 5 applications and get these features, you'll be paying $50 a month. The Beautify, on the other hand, is totally for free, right? So speaking about the final verdict, well, now which should you choose? You can go directly from the free versions. In my case, for example, I truly love to use the Horizon, because this is now come totally for free. And if you're just starting off, for example, I can just start with the only Horizon elements, because this is nothing more than just adding your own elements directly inside into Shopify, and basically into what actually matters the most. You even have the actual, let's say, example of how they actually looked when it comes, for example, to selling clothes, to selling a specific brand with tons of products, to selling one item here, to selling more stuff. Let's say, for example, here I don't know, for accessories and all of that. So you can choose which one fits for you the best. Let's say, for example, the best one that I truly love in my case would be the actual horizon, but that's truly optional, and you can just check it out which one fits for you the best, right? So this is one of my final verdict. Your theme is the vibe of the business, so choose wisely, because I put links to all the themes into the description below, so you can check them out one by one. So which theme are you currently using? You can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shopify and this channel. Check out more videos about Shopify. Thank you once again, guys. See you next time.